Welcome to all my friends to this video where today I will be teaching you how to draw my cute version of the Red Ranger from Power Rangers RPM. So to get started, all you need is a Sharpie or a pencil and some paper. Good. Alright, now we're going to start by drawing the visor on his helmet. So first, we're going to draw a curve V with a curve coming down and a curve going up. Now we're drawing two lines at the top, like this, and we're going to draw three sides of a rectangle shape. And now you will draw lines coming down like this and a line to meet these 2 points. Next, we're going to draw these curved lines that come from this top point to this bottom point, and again from this top point to this bottom point. Okay, now we're going to draw two horns, or what look like horns, but not really. Just shape on its mask. Now these are going to be on both sides. And now we're going to draw a big circle in the middle of these horn shapes. And two little circles around this big circle. Alright, now we're going to draw the symbol at the top. It sort of looks like a G. So draw a circle, but don't close it yet. And we're going to draw this little curve and this thing sticking out, and then go across, come back in, and close the circle to make it complete. And next will be these two leaf-like shapes at the top. Now feel free to pause the video if I'm going too fast. And now we're going to encircle these shapes to complete the helmet. So first we can just draw a semicircle first. And then we're going to draw lines around this visor. So just follow the curves that you've already made. And next, we're going to draw the sides of the helmet. Good job, guys. We're finishing the helmet. And now we're going to draw its body. So to start off, we're going to draw his shoulders. Now they're going to be broad. Alright, now we're going to make some curved lines for his muscles on both sides. And to complete his arm, I'm going to draw another curved line on the other side, on both sides. And now for the gloves, I'm going to draw a rounded rectangle at the bottom of his arms. And he's going to have a clenched fist. So we'll make this L shape here and then hook it in. And then draw a line to meet his fingers. Now the same thing on the other side, but in the opposite direction. A backwards L, hook it in, and draw a line to meet his fingers. And next, we're going to draw his waist. So draw these curved lines that fall from his arms down. And now we're going to draw the belt. So for the belt, don't draw all the way across because in the middle will be a pentagon shape. But for the bottom part, you can draw them all the way across. All right, and now for the pentagon shape, we're going to draw a peak in the middle and lines coming down to complete our pentagon. And next will be the straps coming from his shoulders down to his belt. So one more time, from his shoulders down to his belt on the other side. And now we're going to draw these lines here. Looks like stripes on his belt. And next will be the symbol on his chest. So it sort of looks like the letter 1 in 3D. So first we're going to start with this curve at the top, and next another curve but coming down. You'll see what I mean when it looks like the number 1. So I'm drawing the bottom part and now going back up and finishing off the top. Doesn't that look like a 1? And now we're going to draw what looks like wings on this little 1. So we're going to draw sort of like a rectangular shape, or 3 sides of a rectangle on both sides. And next will be 2 stripes inside this rectangle to complete the wings. And now there'll be a little eye in the middle of this one. And that completes our symbol on the chest. And next will be his legs. And his legs are gonna be pretty muscular. So we're going to round it out and draw a little peak to separate his legs in the middle here. And for his boots, it's gonna be another rounded rectangle on both sides. And next will be the actual boot for his feet. Going to draw lines down and connect with what looks like an oval. So lines down, curve, curve. Good. And that completes the drawing part. Now we're going to color. So this is the Red Ranger, but you can color it any color that you feel like you want it to be. You can follow along as I color and pause when you want, if you want to follow my coloring. So that's it for my version of the Red Ranger from Power Rangers RPM. What's your favorite Ranger from that series? Leave it in the comments below and let me know if you have any requests for any other drawing tutorials. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you would like to watch other drawing tutorials. Thank you for watching. Stay creative. Bye.